roles that you need to surround yourself with. First are coaches. Coaches can be a little overpriced and at times of varying quality. But if you get an amazing coach, and my advice is to look for coaches who have been successful specifically in your industry and don't just share theoretical knowledge, but actually can display success that they had in the past in something that you're actually trying to accomplish. Those can be very valuable because they can point you in the right direction because they know the ins and outs of the exact industry in which you're trying to succeed. And it's very easy to find the right coaches. All you have to do is just search Facebook groups, search Google for specific kind of coaches that you want. You'll find a bunch of them. And the only issue is to find one that's reasonably priced, has good chemistry working with you, and has actually been successful in what you're trying to do. That's really important because a lot of people are very theoretical and pretend to be experts, but they are not. So they have to, I just want to make really sure that you understand they have to be successful in the thing that you're trying to accomplish. If you cannot afford a coach, the next best thing is kind of group coaching, which is called mastermind groups. You can either join existing mastermind groups, or if you can't find one you like, don't be shy of starting your own. The benefit of starting your own is that it's free, whereas if you join a mastermind group, you may have to pay a little bit. So your own might be free, and you can invite to it whoever you want. You can even invite to it people who are a little bit more advanced than you are and learn from people who are more advanced. Also, great people to have around you are mentors and advisors. A lot of experienced business people love to help younger business people. It's kind of in this industry a way to give back. The main problem is that very high quality potential mentors and advisors, people who are successful, are completely bombarded with requests for help and questions, and they just don't have the time, and they have to be very selective to whom they help. So how do they select you? You have to stand out. Don't ask for help on day one. Don't be like me, help me, give me. First, you have to deliver value. You have to help, and they should not have to ask for it because they'll never ask for it. You should be proactively doing something, maybe retweeting, resharing things they post, maybe reading their blog posts or watching their videos and intelligently commenting on them so that they can feel that their work to create that content has made an impact and actually somebody read it and thought about it and it's made some sort of an impact, and get on their radar that way. And whenever you have questions or any kinds of requests, then it's not a cold ask. They'll already know you, they'll already like you, and they're going to be more likely to help you. Of course, if you have family members who are successful in business, definitely approach them. They should be first to help you, with, of course, the caveat that it's a little tricky to get into business with family. Sometimes you just don't want to because you don't want to, family relationships to go sour. But if you're not totally worried about that, definitely friends and family are ideal places to start looking. And if you don't know anyone, there are a ton of people in your industry who have been successful, who love to help quality other entrepreneurs do better. So coaches, mastermind groups, and mentors, definitely surround yourself with at least use some of these resources to give you that extra boost and extra consistent great advice for whatever you're working on in your business.